All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2017 Ford Explorer 3.7 all-wheel drive. Original Norsea blue from factory, folks. This is the original paint, and this is not a repaint. Vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape, folks. And yes, she has received the Mario's touch. And folks, let me tell you, she is road ready to go anywhere. Once again, original Norsea blue from factory. Folks, this was a highway patrol state trooper take home vehicle with 143,000 miles and only 1941 idle hours. That is it. Let me stop right here. Vehicle does have a window tint, fresh new window tint on this one. I went ahead and I gave it the 15%, so this is going to be a 15% all around. Not too dark, not too light, but just a perfect color combination for the vehicle. This vehicle does have 4 holes on the roof. I have 1 hole plugged in with an antenna that is just there just for looks. The other 3 little holes do have the plastic rubber piece grommets in them, so there is no air or cabin there is no air or water leaking into the cabin. Whoops, I apologize, folks. Remember, this is all live. I'm not editing anything, so what you see, what you hear is what you're gonna get. Once again, this is gonna be a Police Interceptor all-wheel drive 2017 Ford Explorer. Vehicle is equipped with factory backup sensors. You can see them on the bumper right there, folks. Those little black dots, those are the sensors. And the vehicle is also equipped with a backup camera. It's right there. This vehicle does have about maybe 3 door dings. That was all I was able to count. 3 door dings. That is it. It does have a nice set of tires from the department. Those are going to be the Goodyear Eagles Enforcers. Get away from me, B. Nice set of tires from the department. Those are going to be the Goodyear Eagles Enforcers. Vehicle looks sharp and she runs really good, folks. I did everything to this vehicle, and let me tell you once again, I set you up for success on another great running looking vehicle right here. This vehicle does have a good use Unity spotlight assembly with a Unity LED light bulb. I'm sorry, I keep getting stuck here. I'm looking to make sure my neighbors are not coming out. Once again, folks, let me stop right here. Vehicle does have a good use spotlight assembly with an LED, with the Unity LED bulb in there. It is in working conditions. I do have clear lights and lessons in the front, so I didn't have to do anything there. Folks, before I forget, I got to tell you that I did have the front bumper reconditioned, repainted. Why? When the vehicle was received, it had some scratches and road hazard chips on the front, and it also has some holes right here that actually, in most cases, the holes look presentable, but in this case, for this unit, the front bumper did not look presentable at all. So I did have the front bumper sent out to get reconditioned. I had it primered, I had it prepped, and I had it repainted to match the vehicle. All in all, folks, I would say that I probably spent about $1,000 just reconditioning the front bumper. Why? Because I wanted this vehicle to look just perfect for the next owner. Front bumper, I mean, it literally looks new. My guys, I do have some guys that recondition bumpers. If they can fix it, they will fix it. The front bumper was not broken. Again, he just had road hazard and those two holes on the sides that were killing me. Folks, remember I told you the vehicle has 4 holes. Well, those are gonna be the first 3 right here. You can see 1, 2, 3 over there. Rubber plugs. There is no air or water leaking into the cabin. 4th hole, I went ahead and put an antenna there. Once again, that's just there for looks. All right, it's just there for looks. That is it. Let's go inside and show you what we got to work with here, folks. Once again, this vehicle does have 143,000 miles with only 1941 idle hours. All right, folks, as you can see, I do have a vinyl leather type rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Here you go. I do have a nice, perfect vinyl floor on this one. Rear doors are fully assembled from factory from the department, so they do have the ROS mechanism, so you can go ahead and exit the vehicle on your own if you're sitting in the back seat. I do have the front seats are electric. The driver's side seat is in perfect condition, as you guys can see. Driver's side seat, passenger side seat is also in perfect condition. Both seats are in perfect conditions. I mean, whoever was assigned to this vehicle, they did an amazing job taking care of it. Vehicle that does have a nice new aftermarket center console here, folks. All right, vehicle does have 2 keys, 1 control. 2 keys, 1 control. You can see that right there. All right, let's go ahead and get inside. Okay, so 2 keys, 1 control. Control does work. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Let me clean this up here for you guys. All right, there it is, 143,000 miles with only 1941 idle hours, which is not bad at all. Very well taken care of. Stereo does work. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Map lights on this vehicle do work. They're controlled by a switch over here by the headlamp switch, or you can press them. Okay, they do work. White LED, red LED. Honk does work, and neighbors are coming. Let me move out of the way here. I gotta move out of the way here for my neighbors. Never fails, folks. It's Friday, everybody's coming in and out. So the vehicle is equipped with a rear view camera that engages on the rear view mirror on the vehicle. Folks, forgive me if I do fall behind here. Every now and then I'm in my neighbor's way, which really sucks sometimes because I lose seconds recording this video and I only had 12 minutes to do it. And so let me reposition myself again. Clock is ticking. I know. Vehicle is equipped with factory Bluetooth as well. Factory Bluetooth, everything can be controlled from the steering wheel right here. Spotlight does work. I'm gonna have to step it up here, folks, okay? I'm sorry, I have to step it up. Nice trunk space here. Headliner, nice headliner. Red LED, white LED. So the vehicle does have 2 LED ticket lights. They both work. Full spare tire in place. Hold down pen, floor jack in place. So the vehicle is complete. Sorry guys, let me go ahead and step it up here. I lost time there. I do apologize. The vehicle does have a clean and clear title. Before I forget, clean and clear title. No rust on this beauty whatsoever. No rust. Factory equipped LED lights. They both work. Bear with me here, guys. I'm using one hand. Hold on. Alright, this is the engine here, folks. Very nice, very smooth, completely serviced, and she doesn't need any repairs on it whatsoever. Alright, starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. I do have a brand new Group 65 heavy duty battery here. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I do have 6 Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs, full synthetic 520 oil service, fluid and filter. Transmission what we call the PTO was also serviced, and I went ahead and I used Motorcraft LV. Took about 8 quarts. Motorcraft LV takes about 8 quarts. Air conditioner is nice and cold. Fluids were topped off. Washer fluid was topped off. Coolant was holding and in its level. Brake fluid, the vehicle appears to have a brand new master cylinder and reservoir. Brake fluid is nice and clear as it should be. Dry belt, it's nice, and it didn't need to be replaced, folks. Vehicle does have new front brakes from the department. Once again, new front brakes from the department. Rear brakes are about 70%, so we didn't have to touch those whatsoever. Am I forgetting anything? If I am forgetting something, folks, I'm gonna go ahead and note that down on the eBay ad. I also replaced the cabin filter, which is located behind the glove box. The cabin filter for these units, it has to be Motorcraft. If you try using an aftermarket cabin filter, it will not work. Alright folks, one last final look here at this beautiful 2017 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor 3.7 all-wheel drive. Former Highway Patrol State Trooper take-home vehicle, folks. Original Norsea blue from factory. The paint looks great. I mean, door dings are actually right here, folks. 1, 2, and 3. Those were the only door dings I was able to find. Everything else, this vehicle is solid. Folks, I gotta go. The clock is ticking. If you have any questions, comments, and you are interested in buying this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call. Let's talk about it. Who knows? We might come to an agreement. All right, folks, you guys have yourself a blessed weekend out there. God bless and take care.